Sick of sneezing even after you vacuum? That invisible fine dust is still lurking, ruining your air quality. Today we're revealing 5 vacuums that actually trap microscopic particles. Welcome back, it's great to have you. For a truly deep clean, check the links below to shop. Let's clear the air together. The number 5 product on our list is Migusky Vacuum Cleaner. Your home breathes the microscopic debris that standard machines simply push around or exhaust back into your face. Most families struggle with invisible allergens and stubborn pet hair that weave themselves into the very fabric of their lives. This Migusky powerhouse halts that cycle with a massive 55 kPa of suction and an 8-layer HEPA filtration system that traps 99.99% of fine particles. Its unique hurricane mode acts as a tactical strike against thick dust layers, while the self-standing design means no more awkward leaning against furniture. For busy pet owners or allergy sufferers, the integrated aromatherapy tablets turn a chore into a refreshing sensory upgrade. While the high-intensity mode drains the 70-minute battery faster on plush carpets, its sheer motor strength easily rivals bulkier corded competitors. It is a masterful choice for modern homeowners who demand a surgical level of cleanliness without being tethered to a wall. You finally stop managing the surface mess and start purifying your entire environment. Every breath in your living room just became significantly cleaner. At number 4 is Hoover Vacuum Cleaner. Your carpet hides a microscopic world of debris that standard sweepers simply cannot touch. Most homeowners live with the nagging frustration of invisible allergens that trigger sneezes and dull the vibrancy of their floors. This Hoover 1PW Emerge changes the game by utilizing dust vault technology to trap 99.4% of fine particles, ensuring they never escape back into your breathing space. Its dual cyclonic filtration and hushstone system provide a deep, quiet clean that feels like a professional upgrade for your daily routine. It is a dream for busy parents and pet owners who need the relief of a self-standing design when life's interruptions happen mid-chore. While the 45-minute battery is excellent for quick strikes, users with massive plush carpets might find the boost mode necessary for deep-seated grit. Compared to basic cordless units, this offers far more versatility as a high-reach handheld. You finally stop fighting the dust and start dominating it. Your home has never felt this truly breathable. The third one on our list is Kenmore Vacuum Cleaner. Your home's air can actually be more polluted than the outdoors if your vacuum is simply recirculating microscopic debris. Most families struggle with a layer of fine dust that returns just hours after cleaning because their machines lack a true seal. This Kenmore powerhouse breaks that cycle by utilizing a 2-motor system and a HEPA filter that traps 99.97% of dander and pollen. It's a secret weapon for allergy sufferers who need to lock pollutants inside a secure bag rather than dumping a messy canister. The 9-foot attachment reach and 24-foot retractable cord make transitioning from the kitchen to the car incredibly smooth. While the bag design offers a cleaner disposal experience, the ongoing cost of replacements is a minor trade-off for such a deep filtered clean. It is the perfect choice for pet owners who prioritize air quality over bagless convenience. You finally stop moving dust around and start removing it for good. Your lungs will notice the difference instantly. On number 2 is Dyson Vacuum Cleaner. Most vacuuming is just a blind game of faith because you cannot actually see the microscopic enemies living on your floors. You move the machine back and forth, hoping for the best, while invisible allergens remain tucked deep within your carpet fibers. This Dyson powerhouse ends the guesswork with a precisely angled green light that reveals twice as much hidden debris as standard lighting. Its advanced HEPA filtration system acts as a fortress, trapping 99.99% of particles as tiny as 0.1 microns to expel air that is actually purified. The LCD screen provides a real-time graph of your progress, proving the volume of dust removed as you work. It is an essential investment for meticulous homeowners and allergy sufferers who demand scientific proof of a clean environment. While the premium price is a significant jump from traditional bagged units, the lack of recurring costs and raw, cordless freedom provide immense long-term satisfaction. Your home finally undergoes a visible transformation into a sanitized sanctuary. Reveal the hidden mess and eliminate it forever. Now moving to the last one is Shark Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Your vacuum might be a source of invisible odors and fine dust leaks that silently compromise your home's air quality. Most owners struggle with that stale vacuum smell and hair-wrapped brush rolls that require manual cutting every week. This Shark Stratos powerhouse ends those frustrations by combining odor neutralizer technology with a self-cleaning brush roll that refuses to tangle. It functions as a fortress for your lungs, utilizing an anti-allergen complete seal to trap 99.9% of microscopic debris inside. The powered lift-away pod is a total relief for reaching under low furniture where standard uprights fail. While the massive suction and dual brush rolls are unmatched for pet hair, the unit's 17-pound weight can feel substantial compared to lighter cordless alternatives. It is a masterful choice for busy families with thick carpets and shedding pets who need industrial-strength filtration. You finally stop simply moving dirt around and start truly purifying your living space. Your home's atmosphere deserves this level of deep cleaning sophistication. Among all, the winner is Kenmore. Its HEPA filtration and powerful suction masterfully trap microscopic dust, making your home truly breathable. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best vacuum for fine dust removal. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.